Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can turn off data roaming on your iPhone. So as you can see here, we are on the home screen of our mobile phone. Now swipe down your screen and here as you can see all the options like flight mode, data option and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything right there. Now here what you have to do is simply tap on network option. So once you have tap on it, cellular data will be on your mobile phone. So when you click on that again, it goes off. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can turn off data roaming on your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.